An easy way to check for conditional formatting is to just look at the color of the text and the fill color. Now, a normal cell will show like this with the text color as a single bar and the fill color as a single bar. But if you put your cell as a conditional formatting, you'll see that there's two bars here. Even if those colors are the same as the other colors of the sheet, you'll see two bars, black and white here. So this cell definitely has conditional formatting. Another way you can do this is to select the whole sheet, format, conditional formatting, and it'll open up your conditional format rules. If there's any conditional formatting on this sheet, you'll see that listed here. And you can add another rule if you want to add more, or if you want to delete it, hover over the conditional formatting rules here and you'll see a trash can. When you hover over it, it'll say remove rule. So if we want to remove it, just click that, X out of there. And now if we go back to the same cells, we see that there is no double line here on text color and fill color. You're watching Better Sheets here on YouTube. Make sure you check out this video or this video and subscribe right now to get more tips, tricks, how-tos, get more out of your Google Sheets than you ever have before. I'm excited to be making a ton more videos here. Ask me questions down in the comments and I will answer them in future videos. But for right now, right here, one of these videos is going to be your next Google Sheet.